can you explain what aspired between Aminu, your boyfriend, and your girlfriend?
I the only thing that I know, the girl came, the girl traveled to Kaduna, so she called me that she's coming back. That let her bring food stuff for me. I say yes. So she called me around on Sunday. Say that she came to Lagos maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Say that if she come, me and she will meet at Beggar. So I'll collect the things. I said okay. So on Tuesday dey she called me say that their car spoil, that even though they reach Lagos it's that car around 2 or 3 o'clock.
To be in the midnight.
Yes, I said okay, once she just reach Berger let her call me. So last around three something dey 3:20 dey she called me.
Afternoon or AM.
No, AM.
Okay.
3 a.m. So she called me, I went out, I pick her up. That time Aminu is sleeping, I didn't wake him up
Okay.
for that one again. And that day I told him that this girl is my girlfriend o, because me and this girl
You
we are
told
dating.
him.
Yes, I told him. I told him that me and this girl we are dating. Me and this girl we reach like 4 to 5 years.
Wow.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Àjíàrà Màlífà TV. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá ò ní di lágbára Ọlọ́run. Bá ṣe rọ́wọ́ tẹ́ fi ń like tẹ́ fi ń comment sí yẹn, ọwọ́ náà ò ní di gígé o lágbára Ẹlẹ́dàá. A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé wa ní ìkànnì yìí pé ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìfẹ́, torí pé èyí ni jọjọ àgùntàn jẹ́ gẹ́gbò tiwa kó níyì. Ọlá tí yín náà làwa fi yan. A mọ rírì yín, a sì gbàládùra pé nǹkan tí yín náà ò ní bàjẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run Ọba. Pàápàá jùlọ gbogbo ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ẹ máa ń bá wa share, tẹ́ máa ń comment, a dúpẹ́, special thank you to you all. Ṣé ẹ rí ọ̀rẹ́ Aminu eléyìí tí ó gba ọ̀rẹ́bìnrin rẹ̀ lálejò òun lè? Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé, Aminu sọ̀rọ̀ kan nígbà kan níbi tí ó ti sọ wípé yẹn nítorí wípé ọ̀rẹ́ òun ti fẹ́ nìkan lóyún, lòun ṣe wò pé bí a kò fẹ́ eléyìí mọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀dọ́bìnrin yìí jẹ́ kó yé wa wípé ó ní òun máa pa òun kóun má lè rí bí sọ̀rọ̀ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fún ẹnikẹ́ni ni. Lẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹyìn ló sọ wípé nígbà tí ariwo àwọn aládùúgbò pọ̀ ló sáré fòun lẹ̀ tó gborí sílẹ̀ lọ. Mo bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kó má jẹ́ kí láburú kó ṣọ̀kan tèmi tiyín láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹ subscribe, ẹ hàn notification button, ẹ comment, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, àjọṣepọ̀ la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bó ṣe lọ. Kí máa fi yẹn kí iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá wípé wọ́n kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun. Ó sì human trafficking mú kí yín dáadáa o. Kí gbogbo àwọn sòǹgbé wọn náà wípé wọ́n kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun. Kí máa fi yẹn kí alukoro iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn CSP Ọmọlọ́lá Odùtọ́lá pé wọ́n kú iṣẹ́, wọ́n kú ìfẹ́ ọmọnìyàn ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run bá búrò ní ṣọ̀kan gbogbo wa láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Kí lójú ìwòye yín gan sí fọ́nrán tẹ́ tí ń wò bọ̀ látijọ́ bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta kan ní ìkànnì yìí? Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìfẹ́.
What is your name?
My name is Endurance Emos.
Endurance.
Emos.
You are from which state?
I'm from Kaduna State.
Like how many months have you been living in Ogun State?
8 to 9 months, Desha.
Okay, and what do you come and do in Ogun State? What is that you are doing presently in Ogun State?
Okay, I stay here, there, my house is there, but I used to rent out. I'm an electrician, so
Okay.
I used to rent out every day.
Okay. Now, this issue of your girlfriend and your boyfriend, what aspire? How do you know that guy? What is the guy's name? That your friend?
Okay, his name is Aminu.
Aminu.
Yes, and I know him through one of my friends that is staying with me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of the person that stay with you?
Kevin.
Kelvin. Yes. What does that one do for living?
That one is a pastor.
Which church?
That one he just started this.
Okay.
Yes.
Which state is that pastor? Aminu Abi? What do you call that pastor name?
Kevin.
Kelvin, the pastor name.
Yes.
Your friend, pastor.
Yes.
Okay, which state is he from?
Um. ah,
How do you know Kelvin?
Kevin, I met him in Lagos. The first time that I came to Lagos, me and him met. So me and Kevin, I know Kevin more than 3 years.
More than 3 years?
Yes.
But no, hold on. You say you come to Ogun State 9 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before I'm staying in Ikeja.
Okay.
So I just relocated
To Ogun State.
Yes.
Okay. Since when you are in Ikeja, when you know Kelvin.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go on. So Kelvin was the one that brought Aminu to you.
Yes, to me, yes.
Okay, like how many days have Aminu been living with you?
Going to, is it 4 to 5 months, Bisha? I can't remember, but 4 to 5 months.
That Aminu have been living with you.
Yes.
Then what can you explain? What aspired between Aminu, your boyfriend, and your girlfriend?
The only thing that I know, the girl came, the girl traveled to Kaduna, so she called me that she's coming back, that let her bring food stuff for me. I say yes. So she called me around on Sunday, say that she came to Lagos maybe on Monday or Tuesday, say that if she come, me and she will meet at Beggar, so I'll collect the beans. I said okay. So on Tuesday dey she called me say that their car spoil, that even though they reach Lagos, it's that car around 2 or 3 o'clock.
To be in the midnight.
Yes, I said okay, once she just reach Beggar, let her call me. So last around three something dey 3:20 dey she called me.
Afternoon or AM.
No, AM.
Okay.
3 a.m. So she called me, I went out, I pick her up. That time Aminu is sleeping, I didn't wake him up.
Okay.
So he didn't know that I brought someone sef, he didn't know anything.
Okay.
So I brought
How
her.
many room are you using?
My house is complete duplex.
Okay.
Downstairs, but I'm not using downstairs. It's only kitchen I'm using downstairs. Upstairs, I have 4 rooms and
Who
parlor
have the
upstairs.
apartment?
It's one of my oga that gave me the house.
Okay.
Yes.
Gave you or just asked you to be
He
living
just
there?
asked me to stay there.
Okay.
Yeah. So early morning, I wake him up, I called her, I told him that how far now see this girl who I just brought her. She just came to Lagos. Because since I told him that one girl will bring this for me. So around 8 o'clock, because I'm an electrician, so one hotel called me in Ikeja. So I tell him that me I'm going to work, oh, and this girl just came, so let her rest, and she didn't have enough cash on her. She's working in Ireland. I said okay, if I went out I will come back early, or if I will not come back early I will transfer money to her so that she will be going. So I went to work. I enter ceiling, my phone, the screen of my phone break.
Hey.
So I can't call her, I can't transfer money to her. So around 4 to 5 o'clock, they shall.
Sorry, Aminu, what work is he doing?
Aminu, he's not doing anything. Sometimes if I get electrical
You
work, I
go
used to call
together.
him. Yes,
Okay, yeah, go on
yes.
with the story you're telling me.
So I just went to fix my phone in the Ikeja. They just fixed the screen, and I saw one of my friend called me that what happened, that our SD security called him that I should started coming home, that people that I live for house, one of them stabbed somebody with knife. I said okay. I call our SD security and they told me the story that I should come back, that my friend stabbed my girlfriend and raped her. So I just came back, I meet them, I saw her on drip, I see him dey sha the security guy have already catch him, they call police. So that's all what I know.
He said because during the interrogation, he never admitted that he raped the girl. He said she talked to her normal, she agreed. And I said somebody agree with you, why would she bite you? She said because she did not see the lady as your girlfriend, that you already have somebody you are dating, you have given pregnant. What can you
Yeah,
say about that?
sure. I told him that because yes, sure, I give one girl belle, the girl said that she will abort it. So that one I no get time for that one again. And that day I told him that this girl is my girlfriend, no, because me and this girl
You
we are
told
dating.
him.
Yes, I told him. I told him that me and this girl we are dating. Me and this girl we reach like 4 to 5 years.
Wow.
Me and this girl. So I told him that this girl is my girlfriend.
And yet he still did what he has done.
Yes.
What do you want from the government?
Justice.
Okay.
I just need justice for my girlfriend.
What's your name again?
Endurance, Amos.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years.
What do you do for a living?
Electrician.
Thank you.